How to fix attachments are not showing in Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue of attachments not showing in Outlook. If you have been struggling with this problem, you're in the right place. Sometimes you might find that your attachments are missing when you open emails in Outlook. This can be frustrating, especially if you're expecting important files. So, in order to resolve this, let's get started. First, you need to go to the Mail app on your laptop or PC. Once you're in the Mail app, you need to go to the settings, and after that, you need to tap on Mail. Then, you need to go to Compose and Reply. Once you're there, make sure that the composed messages is in HTML format. If you have a plain text, simply change it to HTML format. And that's it. Now check if the attachments are visible. If everything is done correctly, you should see them displayed in your email. Thanks for watching this quick and easy guide on fixing attachments in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.